Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. French Baroque Elegance, a guide to the Burgundy and cream damask aesthetic. The French Baroque period was an era of dramatic artistry, defined by its celebration of power, wealth, and theatrical beauty. This style, championed in the court of Louis XIV, embraces bold contrasts, rich materials, and an overwhelming sense of grandeur. To translate this historic opulence into a modern home, one must focus on its core principles: symmetry, luxurious textures, and ornate detail. A superb starting point is the introduction of a classic damask wallpaper in a regal burgundy and cream color palette. This timeless pattern instantly evokes the woven silks of the period, providing a sumptuous backdrop for the style's characteristic embellishments. By weaving these elements together, we can create interiors that feel both majestically historical and intimately inviting. The grandeur of French Baroque begins before one even steps inside, with an exterior that commands attention. The facade should be symmetrical, perhaps featuring classical elements like columns, arched windows, and a central pediment. The garden layout follows the formal French style, with geometrically arranged parterres, neatly trimmed boxwood hedges, and a central focal point like a fountain or statue. This structured outdoor space creates a sense of order and magnificence, perfectly setting the stage for the interior drama. A striking first impression is paramount, making the entryway a crucial stage for the Baroque aesthetic. Cover the walls in the burgundy and cream damask wallpaper to immediately establish a tone of rich sophistication. Center a gilded, intricately carved console table beneath a large ornate mirror with a scrolled or sunburst frame. Complete the scene with a dramatic crystal chandelier and a luxurious cream-colored runner on the floor, ensuring the space feels both welcoming and awe-inspiring. This is the heart of the home, where the French Baroque style can be fully expressed in a space meant for gathering and display. The burgundy and cream damask on an accent wall provides a dynamic backdrop for large, opulent furnishings, such as a carved velvet sofa in a complementary hue. Incorporate gilded accents through side tables, picture frames, and a detailed mirror to reflect light and enhance the room's spaciousness. Rich, heavy draperies in cream or burgundy silk, tied back with tasseled cords, add a final layer of texture and drama to the space. Transform the bedroom into a regal retreat fit for royalty, emphasizing comfort and lavish decoration. The damask wallpaper envelopes the room, creating an intimate and cocooning atmosphere that is both warm and elegant. The centerpiece is a majestic, high-backed upholstered bed crowned with an ornate canopy and dressed in luxurious cream-colored linens. Sumptuous textures are key, so add a burgundy velvet throw, silk pillows, and a thick plush rug underfoot. Soft, Ambient lighting from crystal sconces and a small chandelier completes the romantic and serene environment. The dining room should evoke the splendor of a royal banquet, designed for lavish entertaining and theatrical meals. The burgundy and cream damask wallpaper establishes a formal and enveloping backdrop for long celebratory dinners. A substantial darkwood dining table is surrounded by chairs upholstered in a complementary cream or gold fabric, with detailed carving on the frames. Overhead, a monumental crystal chandelier provides sparkling illumination, while a gilded mirror reflects the candlelight and amplifies the room's grandeur. A large ornate sideboard for displaying fine china and silver is the essential finishing touch. While requiring a more functional approach, the kitchen can still capture Baroque elegance through its materials and details. Opt for classic cream-colored cabinetry with raised panel doors and distinctive, gilded hardware for a touch of luxury. Use a burgundy and cream damask pattern as a backsplash, or on a feature wall to tie the space to the rest of the home without overwhelming it. A central island with a darkwood countertop provides a beautiful contrast, while open shelving to display fine porcelain and copper cookware adds to the curated, opulent feel. Turn the bathroom into a personal spa, reminiscent of the marble-clad chambers of a French chateau. A feature wall in the damask wallpaper introduces pattern and warmth, perfectly complementing the classic materials of the space. Install a freestanding clawfoot tub as the room's sculptural centerpiece, alongside a vanity with a marble countertop and an ornate gilded mirror. Final touches like a small crystal chandelier, plush burgundy towels, and elegant soap dispensers ensure the space feels cohesive and indulgently luxurious.